If you're here for stocks to watch, you're in the right place. It's Wall Street Sizing Up Stocks to Watch Saturday. I've got 2 biotechs for you and 1 broadcasting stock that the hedge funds are sizing up on. Got a bonus stock as well at the end. So with that said, Jake hit the theme. Let's hit the casino. And we're off. First company is SBGI, Sinclair Broadcast Group. Here's the thing. Mario Gambale, remember that name. He runs Gameco Investors. He sized up on SBGI on February 11th. He put in 1.3 million new shares for a total of 2.5 million shares, or 5% of the company. He has an $80 million position. Here's the thing. 94% of all stock is held by Wall Street or Wall Street institutions. I've got a price target in one of my tools of over $100. It's trading at 33. You can see it there, right? The earnings forecast is 55% growth in 2021, and it's in a good 90-day uptrend. But here's the thing. Mario Gambale, since he made the trade, is only up 6 to 7%. That's not good enough for him. Mario Gambale's been around for a very, very long time, since the 70s. I believe the dude is 90 years old. And he has a network to probably one of the best networks that we've seen, because every time he sizes up, he gets 15 to 20% per the 13G and 13D filings that we see. But here's the thing. What's the catalyst? Well, the catalyst is this right here. Bally's, right? So remember that. Bally's did a deal with land-based gaming and interactive entertainment, has acquired Sports Caller, right? A B2B free play game provider for sports betting and media companies, right? They're based in Dublin. That's all great and good. But here's the thing. In November, Bally's did a deal with Sinclair that will combine Bally's proprietary sports betting and market footprint with Sinclair's portfolio of broadcasting outlets. Here is where the rubber meets the road. Bally's said the Sports Caller deal will allow it to leverage Sinclair's media into states that do not permit betting. And there you go. That is the catalyst of what he's doing. So yeah, he's looking more long-term on this one. Again, Mario's typically short-term, but occasionally he goes long-term. I think he's going long-term on this one. Okay, next stock. HEPA is our next stock. Hepion Pharmaceuticals. It was sized up on by Hal Mintz at Savvy. You may remember him because we mentioned him a lot on the channel. It never fails. 5 or 6 days after he takes a position, it's up 20, 30, 50%. HEPA, he did have a small position. He sized up on February 16th. 4.9 million new shares for basically 5 million shares. 6 to 7% of the company. Here's the thing. He's either up 5% or he's up 13%. Either way, we think he wants more. Hepion needed cash, right? They only had a 1-year runway of cash burn left. So what they did is they went out and did a public offering, like 44 million shares at $2 a share. We think that Hal bought the shares. You can see when they announced it, right? We think that Hal bought the shares at $2 and he's probably up 13%. But here's the thing. We have a price target of $8. There's a lot of insiders that bought that bought those shares as well, like people that actually work for the corporation, the CEO, the COO, if you would. So we think he's up 13% because he got it in at $2. So we think he's up, again, 13%. But we know one thing about Hal. He wants more. The guy literally will not quit till he gets 20%, 30%, 50%. So that's why we believe this is a good stock and that it will begin to trend up. All right, next stock. Final stock is One Life Healthcare. ONEM is the ticker. ONEM is the ticker. So who sized up on them? Tiger Global, one of the top 5 hedge funds in America, right? They had a $4 million share position before. They sized up with 3.6 million more shares on February 9th for 7.6 million shares, or get this, $420 million position. Very, very big position. Here's the thing. So ONEM has had good earnings. I believe the earnings call was earlier this week. The revenue forecast is 23% growth in 2021. 98% of all of their shares are owned by Wall Street institutions. That should tell you something. And they were initially backed by the Carlyle Group and Google Ventures. Here's the thing. Tiger only has a 6% gain since they made the trade, right, on the 9th. It's only gone up 6%, right, at best, right? So now it's pulled back. You can see it there, right? And so very long-term position. We don't have a price target on this one, but again, if Tiger Global's taking this such a large position, you can bet in the next 6 months this will have a very, very good uptrend, and you'll be very, very happy. Finally, our bonus stock is, I believe it's Kinska Pharmaceuticals is the way you say it. I don't have it written down. It's KNSA is the ticker though. The reason why, PDUFA date, March 31st. So watch for them, KNSA. As always, we're sponsored by StockTrade.tips. That's StockTrade.tips. That's our actual website. They have one goal. The one goal is to help you profit off the insider knowledge of the hedge funds, and they send you SMS text of hedge fund moves that they think are still profitable. So with that said, have a great weekend. Have a great Monday morning opening bell on the 22nd, and we will see you later. Thanks, guys. Watch your six. You go hard in the paint. Cheers. Well, good day, good evening, and whatever time it may be. We hope you enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please hit the like or the subscribe or leave a comment, because we love that feedback. And you know what we say. At the casino, you got to watch your six and you go hard in the paint, guys. Cheers. We'll see you next time.